For the 1987 film Predator, visual effects artists famously mixed jelly with glow-stick liquid to create the alien's iconic blood. Today, the Italian company Proapto has developed camouflage so advanced it looks as if it could even deceive extraterrestrials. In thermal imaging tests conducted at a distance of 27 meters, the material proved remarkably effective, making detection nearly impossible. Beyond its stealth capabilities, the camouflage is designed to be waterproof, breathable, and silent, ensuring comfort and practicality in real-world conditions. The lightest version weighs only 400 grams, highlighting its portability and ease of use for soldiers or outdoor professionals who must move quickly and quietly. Proapto plans to begin full-scale production this summer, opening availability not only to military organizations, but also to civilian buyers interested in cutting-edge concealment technology. The cost of the basic model is projected to be around $10,400, reflecting its highly specialized performance and innovative design. In 2020, India had nearly 2 million police officers dedicated to maintaining peace, but protecting the protectors themselves is equally vital. That's where the local company SMPP comes in with its advanced ballistic shields. Their Karastop 4 model is engineered to withstand even the powerful 7.62 by 54 millimeters of rounds, offering officers exceptional defense in high-risk situations. To reduce impact shock, the shield features foam inserts, while adjustable straps allow it to be secured for hands-free use when necessary. An additional attachment enables connection to a shield hanging system, giving officers more flexibility in deployment. Perhaps one of its most strategic features is the ability to link multiple shields together, forming a mobile fortress that can be adapted to tactical needs on the ground. The shield's ergonomic design is optimized for returning fire, whether standing or sitting, ensuring functionality without compromising safety. SMPP's innovation ensures that those who safeguard others are given reliable protection in return. The Dutch company Guard from Above has introduced the Evolution Eagle, a UAV designed to mimic the appearance of an eagle. This concept was not created at random, but developed in response to military feedback, combining unique aesthetics with practical functionality. The drone is capable of reaching speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour and can remain airborne for an hour on a full battery, making it suitable for extended operations. Another advantage is its ease of use. It can be manually launched and fully assembled in just 3 minutes, offering rapid deployment in critical scenarios. For enhanced situational awareness, the Evolution Eagle comes equipped with a 4K camera that provides first-person control, ensuring precision and reliability during missions. Additionally, it includes a cargo compartment at the rear, expanding its potential applications for both surveillance and transport. While its features are impressive, one lingering question remains. How might real Eagles react if these robotic counterparts become widely produced and deployed? The Israeli company Skylock is advancing in the field of counter-drone technology with its innovative Skybeam system, designed to work in tandem with the Wingman wearable detector. Unlike conventional rifles, the Skybeam gun targets UAVs by disrupting both data reception and transmission, effectively rendering enemy drones uncontrollable. What sets it apart is its impressive range, reaching up to 3 kilometers, outperforming many rival systems. A full battery powers the gun for about an hour, but it also supports charging while in operation, ensuring uninterrupted use during missions. To enhance versatility, the Skybeam can operate on 2 different power sources, offering flexibility in various conditions. Despite its strong performance, the device remains relatively lightweight at just 6 kilograms, making it portable enough for a single operator to carry and deploy with ease. With these capabilities, Skylock Skybeam provides security forces with a reliable, efficient, and mobile solution to the growing challenge of hostile or unauthorized drones. The X-Series modular shelters from Deployed Logics are designed for maximum flexibility, customizable to serve as field hospitals, command centers, or search and rescue bases. Built to withstand harsh conditions, they can handle snow loads of 23 kilograms per square meter and endure winds exceeding 24 meters per second, ensuring reliability in extreme environments. The top-tier X40 version offers 81.4 square meters of interior space, providing ample room for critical operations. Despite their size, these shelters are remarkably efficient to set up. According to Deployed Logics, a team of 6 people can fully assemble the X40 in just 25 minutes. Proudly manufactured in the United States, the X Series has already proven its value in real-world crises. They have been deployed across 11 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean, supporting pandemic relief missions and aiding communities devastated by natural disasters, such as Hurricane Dorian, often in collaboration with the International Medical Corps. The Russian company Rosoboronexport has developed the BEAT-D smoke module, a compact yet powerful container capable of generating an effective smoke screen within seconds. Once deployed, it produces a cloud about 4 meters high and 25 meters in diameter, which remains in place for at least 20 seconds. This screen not only provides visual concealment, but also interferes with infrared night vision systems and laser rangefinders, significantly reducing the effectiveness of enemy targeting technologies. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. The module can be mounted on both armored and standard vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of operational scenarios. From enhancing battlefield survivability to aiding in riot and crowd control situations, the BEAT-D smoke module offers a reliable and adaptable solution. Its ability to create universal coverage in diverse environments highlights its role as an innovative defensive tool designed to protect personnel and equipment in critical moments. The Meller Protection XOM is the result of collaboration between companies from Germany, Canada, and France, and it has quickly gained recognition as a groundbreaking development in exoskeleton technology. Hailed as both innovative and cutting-edge, the XOM is designed for demanding applications, particularly within military and police operations. One of its most significant features is its ability to redistribute up to 70% of the wearer's load, allowing an officer or soldier to carry as much as 90 kilograms with greatly reduced strain. In addition, the XOM is engineered for resilience, capable of withstanding direct fire from a Kalashnikov rifle at a range of 10 meters, providing critical protection in hostile environments. Despite this high level of defense, it does not restrict mobility. Users retain nearly complete freedom of movement, making it highly practical in the field. Remarkably, the XOM operates as a passive system, requiring no batteries or external power sources. Reports suggest it may soon be adopted by the GN, France's elite counterterrorism unit, underscoring its potential impact. The BAE Systems CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle is a highly versatile platform designed to support both vehicles and infantry with formidable firepower in nearly any environment. Despite weighing 35 tons, its powerful engine enables it to reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour over rough terrain. Armed with 30 to 40 millimeters cannons and rocket launchers, it poses a serious threat even to tanks. Advanced active and passive defense systems enhance its battlefield survivability, ensuring protection for both the crew and infantry. One of its most impressive features is its advanced battle management technology, which leverages smart electronics for faster decision-making than the enemy. Perhaps in the future, these intelligent systems will realize that avoiding conflict is the best strategy. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is a familiar sight in Hollywood films featuring the U.S. military, but its real-world capabilities are even more impressive. With a maximum flight speed of 500 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 1,600 kilometers, this versatile tiltrotor aircraft excels in both speed and endurance. Weighing 24 tons at takeoff, it can hover at altitudes exceeding 3,000 meters. Designed for demanding missions, the V-22 could transport up to 24 soldiers along with a 4-member crew, making it a key asset in air assaults, rescue operations, and VIP transport. Additionally, it has aerial refueling capabilities, extending its operational reach. If the V-22 had emotions, it would likely take pride in both its Hollywood fame and its dominance in the skies. The Saab A-26 submarines, developed for the Swedish Navy, are among the most formidable hunters in the northern seas. With a displacement of 2,000 tons, they utilize diesel-electric propulsion and advanced Stirling AIP batteries, allowing them to remain submerged for extended periods without surfacing to recharge. A key feature of these submarines is the multi-mission portal system, which enables the launch of both manned and unmanned vehicles from the front compartment. Their stealth capabilities are so advanced that enemies may only detect them after they have already completed their mission. Additionally, the A-26 class boats are designed to withstand underwater explosions, with successful tests conducted while a full crew was on board, further proving their resilience and combat readiness. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider is a next-generation tactical helicopter built for speed, agility, and versatility. Capable of reaching an impressive 410 kilometers per hour, nearly twice as fast as traditional helicopters, it offers unmatched performance without sacrificing maneuverability. Designed to carry substantial payloads, it can transport 6 soldiers along with their ammunition and weapons to critical locations. Built for extreme conditions, the S-97 can fly at altitudes of up to 3 kilometers and withstand high temperatures. Even if its tail rotor is damaged in combat, it can continue flying using its main propellers for control. Expected to play a key role in assault and rapid strike missions, the S-97 is set to revolutionize aerial operations in the near future. The Zumwalt-class destroyer is a cutting-edge warship designed for U.S. Navy missions requiring both stealth and firepower. With a displacement of 15,997 tons, its distinct hull shape minimizes radar visibility, making it harder to detect. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbine engines, each generating 47,500 horsepower, it reaches speeds of up to 30 knots. The ship operates with a crew of 147 and has space to accommodate 28 additional Marines. Its formidable arsenal includes 80 vertical launch cells for Tomahawk missiles and 2 155mm guns, complemented by active defense systems and fire scout drones. While the Zumwalt may be difficult to spot on radar, its presence is undeniably impressive in person.